This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
So once you've built your solution, it's important to test everything that you can. So why do you want to test? Well, testing helps you increase your sales. That's the bottom line. And more sales means you can devote more time to your business and help more people. So everybody wins. So you can see what product titles, what landing page copy, otherwise known as landing page description, and product pitches lead to more sales. So what do you test? It really depends on your business, but so much of it can be tested. So if this applies to your business, you can test which headlines draw more people in to read more about your product. Or you may be able to test the description of your product or service and see which one converts the highest percentage of prospects. Or depending on your business, you might be able to test different promo videos and see which ones get the most interest from your prospects. And once you get this information by testing, you can make changes based on your test. So you can learn which marketing efforts are converting the most prospects. Or you may be able to discover which headlines lead to more sales. Depending on your business, you can find out what body copy or description of your product or service has the highest percentage rate of conversion. Or maybe you'll learn what sales pitches are most effective. So the important thing I wanted you to take away from this video is I can't tell you what to test because there's so many different variables depending on the type of business you're in. But no matter what it is, it's very, very important that you test and you make changes based on this test. And the thing is, so many people don't do this, and it's really surprising because it may seem like a common sense thing to do, but it does require extra time and effort. But if you test and you find out what channels are most effective for your business, then you can invest more money in those channels, and that could double the amount of customers that you have. So there are so many opportunities and stories where testing has dramatically helped a business, and it's definitely worth the time and effort to do for yours.